What is a chocolate chip cookie? A chocolate chip cookie is a sweet-baked treat that is recognized by its butter flavor and the inclusion of chocolate chips. Some variations can include nuts, oatmeal, or raisins as well. Commercially available formats of chocolate chip cookies include fresh, packaged, frozen dough. Common variations of chocolate chip cookies include chewy, crispy, chunky. Where did chocolate chip cookies come from? Chocolate chip cookies were created in the 1930s by the Massachusetts cook Ruth Wakerfield, and were originally called Toll House Chocolate Crunch Cookie. In 1939, Nestle introduced to the market chocolate chips or morsels and started printing Wakerfield's recipe on the package. In 1953, the chocolate chip cookie mix by Pillsbury was introduced to the U.S. market. Today, chocolate chip cookies are the most popular cookies in the U.S. Ingredients. Commonly used ingredients for the production of chocolate chip cookies include flour, like all-purpose flour or cake flour, 100%. Fat, including butter, margarine, or shortening, 55%. Sugar, granulated white sugar, brown sugar, or a combination of both, 51%. Chocolate chips, dark or milk chocolate, 30%. Water 19%. Eggs 2%. Leavening agents, like baking powder, baking soda, or ammonium bicarbonate, 0.96%. Salt 0.96%. Vanilla 0.96%. Commercial production. Chocolate chip cookies are commercially produced through the following process. Scaling and weighing ingredients separately. First stage mixing. Fat, sugars, water, salt, eggs, vanilla and leavening agent are mixed in a horizontal or vertical mixer. Second stage mixing. Flour is added and mixing continues till homogeneous. Then comes the chocolate chip addition. Forming. Dough is fed to the hopper of a wire cut machine, and the cut dough pieces are placed on a greased baking tray. Baking. Cookie dough is baked at 180 to 220 degrees Celsius, 356 to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, for 7 minutes. Cooling. Cookies are cooled down for 5 minutes. Finally comes packaging and storage. Application. Here are some considerations for a variety of chocolate chip cookies. Considerations for chewy cookies. Temperature, 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, or higher. Time, 14 minutes. Sugar, brown sugar. Fat, vegetable shortening. Cooling of the dough, yes. Flour, all-purpose or bread flour. Considerations for crunchy cookies. Temperature, 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, or higher. Time, 23 minutes. Sugar, white sugar. Fat, vegetable shortening. Cooling of the dough, yes. Flour, all-purpose. Considerations for crispy cookies. Temperature, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius. Time, 30 minutes. Sugar, white sugar. Fat, butter. Cooling of the dough, no. Flour, all-purpose. Considerations for various cookie types. Chewy, low moisture, sugar and fat prevent excessive spreading while short baking time provides the desired softness. Crunchy, low moisture, sugar, fat, and long baking time generates a light and crunchy cookie. Crispy, using butter aids in spreading and allows long time baking to form a crispy exterior. Want to learn more about chocolate chip cookies and how ingredients influence their texture? Visit BAKERpedia. Learn more about all things baking by signing up for our newsletter. Until next time, bakers. At BAKERpedia, we're here on a need-to-know basis.